Hi children, today we have taken sounds of two letters. S, what is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of E? E. S and E, two sounds, but when you say the word, all you hear is S. That's all. S. So we're going to look at the word that has two letters, but strongly you'll hear S only. Alright? So we look at the word, we'll read the word aloud, listen to the strong sound. Shall we? Good. Look at our first word with S and E, and when we read, we strongly hear S. Good. Our first word is, what's the first letter here? B. Base. B. Base. S is strong here. What is base? Ground. You hit the base. You take the ball and you hit the base. Base. Okay? Good. Shall we look at another word with S and E in it? Good. Look. What letter is this? C. Case. Case. You put your computer into a case. Yes? You put anything precious you have into a case. And you close it. Yes? Well, things. You put into a little case. Case. Good. Let's look at another word. What we have here? What's the first letter? R. R. Rise. Rise. Rise up, children. Teachers coming, they'll say. Isn't it? Rise. Get up. Rise. What is another rise? The sun rises. Yes. Rise. That means sun comes up. Good. Let's look at the next word. Look at the first letter. W. Wise. Who is a wise person? Clever. You read well, look carefully, choose correctly, you'll become wise. When you read, you'll become wise, you'll become clever, you'll become smart, wise. Good. Let's look at another word with SC in it, the letters S and E. Dose. Dose. What is that? The doctor says, I'll give you some medicine. This dose is to be taken this amount 3 times a day. Dose. Or you say another dose is you are very tired and you doze off to sleep. You drop off to sleep. Yes? Good. Let's take another word with S and E in it. Look at the first word. Pose. You pose for a photograph. Yes? Posing. When you put on a new clothes, on a birthday, you are posing for everyone. Look how I look. Am I looking pretty? Am I looking beautiful? Posing for your mom and dad and grandparents. Oh, look at her posing. She looks so cute, we say. Let's look at another word. Lose. Lose. When do you lose a game? You play a game, either you win or you lose. Yes? Either you win the game or you lose the game. So very carefully. Sometimes you are lucky, you win. When you are not lucky, you lose. Yes? Let's look at our last word with SC letters in it. What letter is this? Letter F. Fuse. What is fuse? You put on the light. Daddy buys beautiful tube and put on. The next day, it doesn't burn. Then you say, oh, the bulb was fused. It's fused. It cannot run anymore. Get a new one. Or don't touch the fuse. Children should not touch the fuse with wet hand. Or for anything, you should not touch it. Now, let's look at all our words with SE. Listen to the sound carefully. All you hear is S. Alright, let's read aloud. Base, base, case, rise, wise, dose, pose, lose, fuse. So we got all the words with SE and the strong sound is S. And now that we learn to read the words, I'll give you a picture and you will find a word with SE in it. Then we'll read aloud. Shall we look at the picture? Here we are. What picture is this? That's part of your body. Look at your face. What part is this? Good. Nose. What do you do with your nose? You breathe in and you breathe out. You must keep your nose clean. Must not put things into your nose. Yes? Nose. Nose. No. Only S sound you hear. Nose. This is your nose. Very good. Let's take another picture. And now guess the word with S-E in the word. Good. Rose. Good. Rose. Rose. What is a rose? It's a beautiful flower. Rose flower. Everybody loves a red rose to receive a red rose. What do you do when you get a rose? You smell it and say, and touch the petals, so velvety. Lovely smell. Yes? Good. You'll have to give a rose to your teacher on her birthday, on her feast day, on Teacher's Day. Rose. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Find a word with S-E in it. What animal is this? You can take a ride on it. Yes? Go to the beach. You can sit on it and go. What's the name with S-E letters in it? Horse. Very good. What animal is this? It's a horse. You can take a ride. I have seen army people, police taking for parades. You'll see them seated on it and taking nice stride. Horse. What animal is this? Horse. And you have S and E in it. Horse. Say this word. What letter is this? H. Horse. Horse. It's a domestic animal. We can keep the horse in our stable. Horse. Very good. Shall we take a new picture? Look carefully and give me a word with S-E in it. Yes? What is this? Camera. What do you use that for? Yeah? You can take pictures. Yes, you can shoot sharp pictures with it. Yes, very good. Now, who takes pictures for you? Cameraman. Or at the studio when you go, you want to take a picture for the school or for any program, they'll take and they'll give you. Okay? You can take a shot there and lovely sharp pictures come out of this camera. Good. So what word is this? What do you put inside here? Here. There'll be a sharp lens here. What do they put here? In the camera, they put a very sharp lens so that you can get beautiful pictures. Lens. What else we put into it? Lens. To get sharp pictures of you. Good. Lens. So you like to have a camera like this? Ask Daddy to get you one. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? And guess the word with S-E in it. Look at this picture. Tell me, what is this? Where have you seen this? Simple. Yeah, you look at your coins in your purse and look at it and you find this. What is this? Pies. Yes, what do you do with that? You buy things. When someone asks for a change, you take it out of your purse and give. Pies. Pies. Yes? Now, You love to collect lots of new pies, isn't it? Pies. How many pies this is? 10 pies. 10 pies. Good. We took look at a new picture. Look what you have here and SE in it. You have this in your head and you have to clean your head. What is that? Louse. Yes, they give you a lot of trouble in your head. What's called louse, ponies in your head. And you can clean them out. Keep your head clean and you can take out all the louse from the head. Louse. Good. Shall we take a new picture? Look what you have here. Give me a word with S-E in it. He runs about in your house, in the kitchen, troubling Mama. And in the garden. What is this one's name? Mouse. Very good. His ears are up, looking for different sound. Mouse. 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 Mouse keep running in your house, in your garden, in the attic. Yes? Now, what is the mouse scared of? The pussycat, yes? Good. Shall we look at a new picture? And you give me a word with S-E in it. What does Mummy do with this vessel? Cooked food she'll put in it. And then what does she do with the lid? Good. She close the lid so that no flies, nothing goes in. Close. Any dish on the dining table after Mama pours food, what must you do? You must close it. Close. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Then you give me a word. Guess the word with S-E in it. Who is this? Who helps you not well? Who assists the doctor? What's her name? Good. Nurse. She's a nurse. She'll give you injections. Make you comfortable. She'll clean your wound for you. Nurse. Nurse works in the hospital. Takes care of you when you're not well. Some nurses also work in the house, helping elders, like grandmas and grandpas. Who is this? Nurse. Nurse. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look at the picture and think carefully. S-E. What is this? It's a case. You can safely put documents, your book, precious things. This is a case. What case is that? Suitcase. A tiny suitcase to carry your, maybe your small laptop or cell phone or your something precious. Case. It's a case. Can we have a laptop case? You can put it inside that. Tiny suitcase it is. Safe. You can lock it. And everything is safe inside. Case. What is it? It's a case. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look. And now you tell me a word with S-E in it. Good. House. You live in the house. Clean, neat little house. House. Very good. You open the door and you can go into the house. House. Who lives in this house? Tom lives in this house with his family. Good. House. Shall we go to a new picture? And you guess a word. Give me a word with S-E. What do you put inside this? Flowers. And where do you keep it? On the table. What is the name of this? Vase. Very good. This is a vase which you leave it on the table with flowers. Good. Vase. So we learned a lot of words today. Yes? Good.